every new mode of life is going to be controversial, at least for a while. And what Nietzsche says is that it's a good thing that the new type of life will break some rules, because the rules, especially moral rules, which we've discussed that all right with Brian Leiter, but we can talk about it a bit more if you want. Moral rules are governed by the most fundamental moral principle. You are not obliged, you don't have a duty to do anything if it's something that's impossible to do, right? So if that's the principle of morality, morality is addressed, writes Nietzsche, to the people with the least abilities. Because if morality requires only what everyone can do, the everyone is the lowest common denominator. And for him, morality is designed to keep people mediocre and down and discourages sort of flashes of difference or flashes of genius. And that's very much part of his danger, because he says many people who do great things are immoral by our standards. But that doesn't matter, because he thinks that the contribution to the multiplication of human types is more important than hurting moral sensibilities.